Some gun sound man clap. Whap 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 whap. Some gun sound man clap. Whap 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 whap.
By first time I hear this song by, I say what the ass is this by? Is that the mother cunt this by? What Skillibeng really going on with Dred? Yo, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. You don't know, hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this one. Let me talk to you a little bit now. So the song alone, right here, so another one from Skillibeng. And of course, some people don't like it, but a lot of people like it. Skilly is gathering up the numbers and undeniably he is trending. See, a lot of people are gonna say, boy, I'm trending because music gone to shite. He's trending because dancehall music has gone to shizzle. Man nizzle. You know what we used to call shizzle, right? Doo-doo. Yeah, crap. That. But I have a different theory. Hold on. When I hear this, scope on my Glock, and him say something gun clap. Whap, 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 whap. Whap, 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 whap. I said to myself, I said, nah, this can't be the friggin' song. I click off of the song one time, soon as the song start, whap, whap, whap. As soon as Skilly, big up yourself any which part of this Skillibeng. But when I first heard the whap, 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 I wasn't ready. I was over here doing some research for another video and I was trying to keep it intellectual. Seeing? Because the other video required a whole lot of research. And I was trying to keep it on the smart tip. Needless to say, that song here, nothing to do with smart. This is fully done. It's 100% straight ahead. As some killy bad man song this and some zinc fence mentality and some, you know me, as some man born bad like this and these kind of thing. Lock down the place and all the place like this. Don't ask me what they're really saying because I wasn't too penny in the words. I see a couple of comments over here that had me dying though. One person said, Spud the entertainer said, the sound the belt make when my mother used it to whip me. Whap, 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 whap. You see it? Another person said the song started off crazy, but it actually grew on me. And can I be honest with you? As a big man, watching, can me come from Vybz Kartel era, Vybz Kartel generation. Seeing you have to be lyrical with the thing and you have to be understood. This new generation is a whole different thing and it's the same music and it's evolving. Some would have said it's not evolving, it's dying, but it's evolving whether we like it or not. Remember, you know, the people before our generation, them didn't like our generation of music either. They cuss Vybz Kartel them and the leaders of that generation. The people in a Bounty them generation was cussing Bounty them, their elders as well. So it's like every generation that comes along, when they stamp their stamp, like right now, trap dancehall and these things are on the place. Bounty say you can't name it trap dancehall because you can't trap dancehall. Seeing? Well, I neither agree nor disagree. You don't know when the general talk, I just saw it go. Everybody just run with that right there. So because what? Bounty is the general and him says so. Seeing? Now, as far as this new sound goes though, I don't know, man. This whap, 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 whap. Listen, this is what I like about this though. I like the fact that Trinidad and Jamaica link up. I've told you all this before. Some of the best people I've met in my life. People will look out for me all when me overseas and my own Jamaican people run away and left me and neglected me was some Trinis. Same thing in New York was some Trinis. I was around Trinidadians so much that I started speaking like a Trinidadian. That when I got to be around Jamaicans, the Jamaicans would disown me because they used to go away and talk behind my back. Say, he's a Trini. He's not really a Jamaican, but he's trying to be a Jamaican. That's how much I was around Trinis till me adapt the accent and everything. So big up to my Trinidadian family. It's nice to see the unity because, you know, there's a lot of stuff going on under the rumor mill about us. Trinidadians don't like Jamaicans by them Jagans. And Jamaican don't like Trinidadians, Dred, and them thing, but it's a lie. That's on the political level. Them talk about the politics part of it. They're talking about the politician them, which we, the regular people, we're not into the politician them business. Because neither in Trinidad or in Jamaica, they're doing nothing for poor people. You see what I say? So we handle our thing another way. And we link up on the ground, and that's what I like to see. Rage said it's good to see him in Trinidad. Trinidad and Jamaica link up. His music dominates the airstream here in Trinidad. along with some other artists. This right here, my friend, is what Skilly has going for. Hold on, before me talk about what Skilly has going for him, alright, let me say this. I see a man say, boy, I have to start listening back some souls, some old souls music, because this new thing yeah, when I come with, I can't gravitate towards this and all the try, me can't understand it. Can I tell you the truth and be 100% honest? I'm in the gym working out, right? I'm going to put on dancehall, trap dancehall. Just type that into Google or type it into YouTube. And it's in my headphones playing. I may tell you, I take me like a pre-workout thing. Boy, I find myself, I lift a whole heap of weights and I work out heavy under the meds. And then I check a stock. And it was all the artists that I really would not normally go listen to. Like Skillibeng, and then you have a next one that were well intense and them kind of artists there. So after that, I said to myself like, yo, you don't want to be the person who's getting older and you're burning a bridge with the younger generation. You have to bridge the gap, my friend, because that's one of the biggest problems in our society. Young people say, those before us, them not understand we, so we and them not link. And we're not hear nothing what them have to say either. That's why we can't relate to the younger generation. We can't talk to them and, talk them out of some things. Because them don't want to hear you. They don't want to hear you because you claim that you're older and your generation was better when I lie, yeah, tell them see the fuck what did I go on in our generation too, And them know say a lot of us are hypocrites, right? Depend some do as I say, not as I do stuff, and them not taking no telling from us. See? So based on that, hearing the music in the gym, I thought to myself, yo, I really gotta go pre the music and listen to Skilly. One day I sit down, and I'm listening to him and I'm like, yo, the youth is lyrical as fuck. Like Skillibeng really is lyrical if you actually listen to it. See, he has a style, right? And his style is this. It basically sounds like he's talking and them just add a rhythm to when him talk. That's how it sound. It don't sound like him have no melodies, no deep melodies. He's not heavy on the melodies in a lot of his songs. But if you listen to what him say, he's a poet. He's undeniably a poet. I know enough people right now I say, SouFlo, shut the fuck. Yeah, talk bare foolishness. No, brother, listen to me. Go listen to Skillibeng, some of Skillibeng song them, and you will see that the youth is a poet. Alright? Wonder why people like Nicki Minaj them gravitate towards Crocodile Teeth. The official video for Crocodile Teeth right now has like 34 million views on it. Alright? So if you think he's not out here doing something, then you're making a sad mistake. The youth he's influential and his influence is growing. He's getting pretty close to 1 million subscribers on YouTube. That's to tell you something. And because that's what's running the place in the new age, for the new era. Now let me tell you forget what people are saying. Let me tell you what Skillibeng has going for him. He has a formula and his formula is working. You know when people get tired of listening and hearing everybody sound alike and everybody saying the same thing? Well, Skilly pretty much has said the same thing, but he's saying it in a different way. His sound is different. His style is uniquely his. Every time you hear a Skillibeng song come on, you know right away, say that is Skillibeng. And that is how you stamp your place in a genre of music. It happens in every genre of music, whether you want to listen to some old souls or you want to listen to R&B, rap, hip-hop, dancehall, reggae, or you want to listen to trap music, or you want to listen to reggae music itself. If you listen to any genre of music, those who make it big and has longevity are the ones who, once that record comes on, people know right away, say it's them. You hear me say? And Skillibeng has that it factor. Whether you like him or not, when the record comes on, and he is not afraid to stay with him style. Him not switch up him style to please nobody, because people are like, boy, that not sound good. You need to put some more melody in that. Why am I talk about whap, 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 squat on my Glock, whap, whap, whap. And he's not switching it up to please anybody. Seeing? And that is his formula. So, big up to Skillibeng for that one, yeah. It named Whap Whap. Look right down there, right before the comment section under this video. Click that link and go and listen to the entire video. Watch the entire video. I like the video itself because the video itself is like a movie. I'm infatuated with Caribbean movies anyways. And I know some people are going to say again, yes, why we always do the gun and zinc fence thing and all. Because a lot of that go on in our place. Okay? And that people can relate to. It look like a movie. The youth come out. By the way, that youth look like Daima. Dancehall, Daima the dancer. It look like Fireman that. But anyway, big up Daima. Legendary in a dancehall music as a dancer. But anyway, the dancer comes out and him start dance, right? Him leg of the bird and call down the junk crow and him do a rifle walk or whatever I'm doing. I do him dance and a boy come and perplex him tranquility. And him just pull out him piece and bust him head and then hold up the piece and say, yo, shopkeeper, play the music. And goes right back to dancing. It's like it gives you from the beginning, it pulls you in like, damn, cold. And then Skilly comes in now, scope on my Glock. So it's like a mini movie. I like the aesthetics of the film itself, right? Remember, I've said this from day one. I'm not here to big up and say, oh, we are glorifying because I feel right now like say me I glorify our demise. And I'm a part of the crowd that is listening to the soundtrack of our murderation. But at the same time, I've seen music like this. Take a youth from poverty and nothing, fly him out on a plane, bring him around the world, make him make big contacts, and he's able to not only uplift himself, but his family and his close friends around him as well. So I'm not the one to censor art. So if you're going to look at me to be the all holier than thou art, please remember that I am multi-dimensional. And I don't want nobody try change me. I make me one-dimensional. So me I stick to my style, multi-dimensional, just like how Skilly I stick to theme style. Whap, 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 whap. See? Alright. Hit that link. Listen to the music. Watch the video. Leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this one. And I'll catch you on the next video. It's SouFLoTV with a bad review them. I'm out. Peace.